Okay guys, so here is the battery. Finally it showed up today. This one is interstate. I believe this is the part number right here, MTP T4, and this one has 30-month free replacement warranty. This is the OEM one, and here's the part number, but this one has 36 months free replacement warranty. This one is belong to other vehicle, so we're just gonna go use this interstate one, and the customer approved to replace it. Basically they're just the same. Oops, wrong way. There we go. You know what? Let's go ahead and clean the battery tray really quick. What's up, bud?
You get a minute?
Okay,
Check real quick.
sure. Then install the positive first. Whoa, what happened? What happened there? Oops. I think something slipped here. No, you don't want to do that. What happened to you? All right, try this again. There we go. Make sure it's tight. Then install the negative. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and start the vehicle. Today is September 24, 1:30 p.m., which is the correct date and time. And let's see if we do have an auto up. Yep, we do have an auto up. How about auto down? Sweet. On the driver's side or passenger side? Cool. Awesome. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.